Mr. Employer, and this is Jonathan Richard Bautista speaking. And I'm applying for the internal auditor position in your company that I saw in jobseek.com. So I live in 148 Laurel Highway, Darasa, Tanawan City, Batangas. And to give basic information about myself, first, my skills. I can communicate both in English and Filipino languages fluently, and I also have an advanced knowledge in terms of computer software, particularly in using Photoshop, Microsoft Office, and Adobe After Effects. And also, I also have a knowledge in terms of computer hardware, and photography is also one of my interests. And the best thing about myself is I'm an industrious and resourceful person, wherein if you have given me a certain task, I work for that task hardly, and if ever an uncertain circumstance comes in the way, I have the ability to create and tinker new set of ways in order to solutionize a problem. And as for my schools, I graduated in Jesus Lord Christian School, City of Tanawan, both in elementary and high school, class of 2009 and 2013. And as for my tertiary and the bachelor's degree, I graduated the bachelor degree in accountancy at the Rexel of the Philippines, Laguna, class of 2017. As for my achievements, I became a consistent dean's lister, and I also topped the qualifying exams in LPU Laguna for so many times. And also, I became their Mr. CBA last 2013. And I just passed the board exam, this Philippine board exam, CBA board exam, last October 2017. And I became the top 10, unfortunately, and all thanks to God. As for my past work experiences, I have worked with the Junior Philippine Institute of Accountants, local chapter, LPU Laguna, as for 2 years. And as for the first year, I became their Vice President for Publications, and as their Vice President for Academics in the second year. And this work with JP had fully trained me in terms of paperwork and in terms of time management. Because honestly speaking, the positions that I have in JP is not a lax position for a student to come to run with. And as for my character preferences, if you have questions about myself, you can contact Mr. Raymond Francis Escala. He is a faculty professor in accounting, specifically in financial accounting in LPU Laguna. You can contact him at 0922-827-2253. And also, you can contact another person which have known me since I'm a kid. Her name is Miss Evelyn Tararal, and she is a 4th year high school advisor in Jesus Lord Christian School, City of Tanawan. You can contact her at 0927-255-1037. And if you have further questions about me, you can contact me personally at 0922-823-9920 or email me at rich_gapper. I may not be the most excellent worker in your company, but I can assure to you that I would work with the highest degree of honesty and integrity. That's all. Thank you.